Hey, what's up, DogeCola coin holder? What's going on, my friends? After very long time, my friends, I see to DogeCola was starting moving up for an unbelievable, very huge pump, my friends. So definitely, it's a trending time in DogeCola, and 100% it's a profit time, my friend. So let's get started. First of all, I will update you, my friend, and after that, I will predicate and I will share my opinion to what we will need to do, to how we will earn a lot of money, how to we will get a profit from DogeCola. Now let's get start a brand video, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. First of all, as you can see here, my friends, this time DogeCola, after I think 80 to 90 days later, my friend, especially the DogeCola is completely on the trending. But after a very long time, you can see a Dogecoin is again come into trend, and you can see here from last 24 hour 4.65% the price will up, and you can see here this time the price is just an only get a go into the moon. You can see here the highest, the lowest price in the highest price. There is a very good preference, my friend. You can see here the market cap, you can see here so 8 million, you can see here 8 billion. Definitely they will increase now, I hope, and fully diluted market cap 4.77% increase. Now urgently they will wake up and starting moving upwards. So I think it's really good news for all of you now, my friend. All right. As you can see here, the volume of last 24 hours, so 24.41% is fails down. But don't worry, the volume is very less, my friend. Yes, the volume, I tell you, my friend, the volume is very less, but the market cap is increasing. The market cap, if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting trading, my friend, buying more and more, so absolutely the market cap is increasing. And remember, to when a market cap is increasing, then the price is absolutely very fastly increasing. So therefore the price is urgently starting move. You can see here, my friend, oh my goodness, this time you can see here the green is a profit and the red is lost. So the resistance line, as you can see here, they will moving upward from resistance very urgently. I think from last 12 hour, my friends, this coin is moving upward. All right, so if we check out from last 90 days, my friend, you can see here, so this coin is completely failing down. You can see here this coin is completely failing down, but urgently, my friend, as you can see here, in last 24 hours they will starting moving upward. So therefore I think DogeCola is completely come into the trend, and this is a good time, my friends, so you will get a profit. So don't miss this chance, my whether it's 100% possible to they will give you a profit. So I hope, my friends, you will better understand. Kindly don't miss this chance and take a risk and get a 100% profit. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time, and the price is going to be triple. The price is going to give you, my friends, triple profit. The price is going to be triple now. So if you miss this chance, remember, you will never, my friends, get a profit in upcoming time. So this time the price, our latest price target is, my friends, just in only 0.002 USD dollar. But this is possible. Generally experts, my friends, say make this target, but this is possible if they will get, my friend, 10% profit at the end of this month, my brother. Otherwise this is impossible. All right, so thanks for watching my all DogeCola coin holders. I will give you more latest and urgent updates videos, but kindly you will need to subscribe this channel, and yes, please press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribe our YouTube channel.